Hello everyone, so this is Giza Marie Albaniago and I'm here to present my non-profit website for this course, and my website is called Adopt a Pet in Malaybalay. So what is Adopt a Pet in Malaybalay? So Adopt a Pet in Malaybalay is a non-profit pet adaptation website service that advocates pet adaptation, gathering information from pet shelters in the Malaybalay City, Philippines, and it presents adaptable pet data in a searchable database to facilitate pet adaptation. So as you can see, these are the available pets, available dogs that you can adopt here in Malaybalay City. And for my design decisions, as you can see over here, this is the logo, a heart shaped in a paw that represents the paw of the dog, and a heart, the color of the heart yellow as my main color scheme, and for the black, yellow because it represents happiness, friendship, joy, optimistic, that a dog needs in every owner, or a dog or the family that a dog needs. And so I also have the font Cooper Black, that also represents the fun side of having a dog in your home. So what I've learned while making this website is that I've learned that coding is real hard work, and it really takes time for me to code all of this. It was hard. I can say it is really hard, and I did really make it perfect. As you can see, I had struggles doing the coding for this website. One of the things that is the most challenging part for me is to find which element. For example, this text, the subheading over here, I can't seem to find the specific element to change the font over here. So if I actually change this font, it doesn't only affects this part over here, but it affects all the texts of the website. So I end up not changing the text at all. So I end up over here. So that's mostly the most difficult part in making this website for me. But overall, this is the end the end product of what I have for my website, and hope you guys like it.